Welcome back to the VST channel, guys. I have here the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra on the tripod together with the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. So those are one of the best Android phones. Something that I didn't really do is turn off my Do Not Disturb, which is actually very important for this type of test. So without any further ado, guys, I am going to go on both phones and turn the Do Not Disturb function. Now, while you're here, you might wonder what is the point of this video, guys. Let me tell you, I am going to shoot 4K 60 FPS video, guys, on the S23 Ultra and on the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, while of course playing something on the background, which is going to be some of my other videos. Why? Because of course I want to still capture some information, but most and foremost, guys, I want to see which of these phones will die first. So we also will have a stopwatch, and also, guys, we're gonna do some measurement. So the Xiaomi starts already with 38, which is a bit unfair because I used it, and the S23 Ultra starts with 30 degrees. But nevertheless, I want to start with this test. It's really very important to understand which of these phones is more reliable when it comes down to shooting 4K 60 FPS videos, and also which of these phones is gonna dim the screen and in general just come out as the winner. And now magically the stopwatch has also been added in the form of an Apple iPhone 14, guys. So I'm just going to start recording and also start measuring the time. So 4K 60 FPS, let's see who from these phones will die first. This is gonna be the Xiaomi 13 Ultra with the almighty Sony IMX9 at 901 in sensor, really, which is a miracle of the mobile photography. Or it's gonna be the S23 Ultra using the ISOCELL HP2 200 megapixel good crazy sensor. And by the way, the video that I'm just recording on my screen is a direct comparison from the photo and the video capabilities of those phones, shooting 8K downscale to 4K, but also night photos, day photos, portrait, you name it, I have it. Go watch it, guys. And now I am going to speed up the video and meet with you in about 10 minutes. So every 10 minutes, I'm just going to do a temp reading until some of these babies die. Thank you so much, guys, and don't forget to hit the like button and sub for the channel. Alright, guys, we are at the 10 minutes mark, so let's check the temperature. 42, 43 on the Xiaomi 13 Ultra and 38 really on the S23 Ultra. I'm just gonna do one more measurement, absolutely no mistake here. So the Xiaomi 13 Ultra already running hotter. Alright, but both phones are still shooting 4K 60 FPS video. And now, guys, that's very interesting. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra only has 20% left and the S23 Ultra only has 15% left. So I will hook them both to the charger and make the task even harder. And now both the Xiaomi 13 Ultra and the S23 Ultra, guys, are hooked up to the chargers. Original chargers, and yeah, we are almost 16 minutes, almost 17 minutes, guys. So let's just see, can they do hours? Well, we still have to find out. "20 minutes of 4K 60 FPS, guys, recording 45.5 degrees on the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, and S23 Ultra pumps up to almost 42 Celsius, guys. So far, so good, because I've seen phones in the past that cannot even reach to 20 minutes 4K 60 FPS. Let's just see how much more they can do. And guys, something clearly happened, so I am just going to stop. Yep, something clearly happened, guys, and it seems that the Xiaomi closed the camera. 43.9, and the S23 Ultra just still remains the king in this regard. So this is really what I see, and you probably also seen it with your own eyes. So I'm a bit disappointed with the result. And let me just see if the video actually got saved, because what I see, by the way, the video was even not saved, guys, which is really a complete disaster. Now, if I go here and I check what has happened, yes, we have clearly a 24 minutes video shot on the S23 Ultra. So guys, I put the video back to just see what has happened, and it seems that 23 minutes of 4K 60 FPS got this phone, the Xiaomi 23 Ultra, to overhit. And that's okay, I understand this. But I was completely shocked by the fact that the Xiaomi 23 Ultra even didn't save the video. And I know that a lot of you will tell me, hey, but that's not fair because you're charging the Xiaomi. No, it is still running on 40 degrees, guys. Same here on the S23 Ultra. So that's absolutely no excuse. And this is really also not very much reliable. I really hope that there is something for you to take away from this video. The key takeaway for me is that this behavior is not really reliable, and I really hope that Xiaomi will address it with further updates. And if you like real tests like this, let me know, like the video, support the channel, guys, while you still can. VST, over and bye.